Can our Atto 3 BYD really power a washing machine and a dryer? We're not talking charging our EV today, and we're also not doing a road trip today. If this is going to work today, so this is a charger, if it's going to work today to run the washing machine and the dryer, it can change everything for us at home. So first up, the washing machine. Plugging in the cable. Opening up the card to make sure it can connect. Make sure that nice red button is on. Pressing that button. And time to get it up and running. Little one helping with the action. And let's see if it's not going to trip. Still drawing no power at this stage. Okay, it's running. We're going to see if it's going to trip or not. Still looking very good, no problem. There is some of the proof that it worked. Normally not something you can do in South Africa. And you can see it's in the garage because it's cold outside. But that's not all. So if the washing machine worked, will the dryer work? And it's higher in watts as well. So will it not trip it up? Let's see. Only one way to find out. Okay, it's running, as you can hear. The percentage on 85%, it needs to be over 15%. That's very important. Still running very smoothly. The watt should be much higher. Okay, this is not ideal, but you'll see now what we are doing because the solar power is a bit low today. That is not charging, that's our V2L, vehicle to load. Still running, and actually a very, very nice way to warm up your house as well. So it's got dual purpose. So that's me done for the night, but the summary, it's not only a car, it's also a power machine. And the question for you back home is, have you done this before? Will you do it, or are you going to try it now? Enjoy your BYD.